Hey guys, Joyce here. Are you tired of the hassle of procurement for your workplace? Do you want to simplify your purchasing workflows and save on costs? In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of Amazon Business, how it differs from Amazon Prime, and how you can join and start enjoying the benefits today. What is Amazon Business? Amazon Business is a separate membership program designed for businesses available only on Amazon Business. It offers convenient delivery options, simplified purchasing workflows, multiple payment options, and a competitive marketplace with business-only pricing and quantity discounts. Anyone who makes purchases for work can create a free account for their business. However, customers must be from a verified business to successfully create their Amazon Business account. Difference between Amazon Prime and Business Prime. The main differences between Amazon Prime and Business Prime is their intended audience and the benefits they offer. Amazon Prime is a membership program available on Amazon that is designed for personal and household needs. It offers household and entertainment benefits such as Prime Video, Prime Music, Amazon Fresh, Prime Now, and Prime Reading for use at home. On the other hand, Business Prime is a separate membership program designed for businesses available only on Amazon Business. It offers business-specific features and benefits suited for work such as a single membership for all users on a business account, fast free businesses shipping on eligible items, ability to guide your users to certain selection, visibility into your company's spend, and much more. Overall, while both Amazon Prime and Business Prime offer free and fast shipping, they have different benefits tailored to different types of users. Add value for every type of organization. One of the added values of Amazon Business is the ability to buy more and save more. From commerce to education, you can save on over 60 million products when you buy 2 or more. Plus, you can connect your people by creating groups, sharing payment methods, and managing supplies across locations. Business Prime. By joining Amazon Business, you can also enjoy fast and free shipping with Business Prime. Just one Business Prime membership covers unlimited free shipping on eligible orders for your entire organization. New employees added to your business account automatically have access to the benefits of your Business Prime plan, as long as you don't exceed the maximum number of users for that plan. If you need to add more employees than your plan allows, you'll need to upgrade to a new plan. For a limited time, you can add users above the limit of your current Business Prime plan, and your membership fee will not increase for the first year until your plan renews. Membership plans for Amazon Business are based on the number of users in their business account, and the prices range from $69 to $10,099 per year. Your Business Prime membership may be subject to tax in some states, and you may only use Business Prime for business, not personal use. Business Prime benefits are for Amazon Business customers to ship products to themselves or to locations for their own use. How to sign up for Amazon Business? Signing up for Amazon Business is easy. First, you go to the link on the description down below to get a 30-day free trial on Amazon Business. Then click on Create a Free Account. You'll need to enter some basic information about your business, including your business name, address, and industry. Once you've filled in all the required information, Amazon will verify your business, and then you can start shopping. What are the benefits of Amazon Business? Well, Amazon Business provides several benefits to its members. With advanced analytics and dashboard, you can gain more control over rogue spending with purchasing policies that guide employees to the right buying choices. You also get deliveries when and where you want with unlimited free fast business delivery of million eligible items. Business accounts with one user can avail of the Business Prime Duo plan. To use this plan, you must have an Amazon Prime membership on a personal account, so you can link your personal and business account. By linking your accounts, you can keep all the benefits of your personal account while also accessing your business. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now for a 30-day free trial on Amazon Business so you can try it out for yourself and see how it can benefit your business just by clicking on the link in the description down below. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.